Alright guys, so just doing a AC and DC capacity test for the Growatt VITA 550 power station. I already have done a full review for the VITA 550. I'll leave a link to the full video review down in the description below. But yeah, I'm just going to do another AC and DC capacity dedicated video in this case. A pretty quick video to be honest, because in the full review for this VITA 550 power station, I had the Watt Plus feature powered on. And I ran a heater, and I didn't think that the AC capacity efficiency that I showed was too accurate. Well, at least I showed the AC capacity efficiency that you would get if you ran the Watt Plus feature for the power station. But yeah, anyways, I'm just going to run this DC capacity test first, and then I'm going to move on to the AC capacity, just give you guys an idea of how good the capacity efficiency is with this VITA 550 power station. And so yeah, I've just been running this DC load test for about 3 minutes so far, and I will be right back once it finishes to tell you guys about the DC capacity efficiency. Alright you guys, so I did finish up the DC capacity test. I ran it for about 4 hours with a 120 watt output coming out of the DC cigarette lighter port. And so what I ended up with was a 479 watt hour capacity, and that gave me about a 89% efficiency rating from the DC outlet right over here. And so yeah, this matches up to the DC capacity test that I did in the full review for the Growatt VITA 550 power station. Nothing changed here. I think I just gained 1 percentage point, and that's about it. And so yeah, you're going to be able to use most of the capacity from the VITA 550 power station when it comes to the DC capacity. And so let me just go ahead and get this charged up again to run the AC capacity test. Just taking a look at the stats right over here on the load tester in case you want to take a closer look. That's what I got, 479 watt hours. Runtime was about 4 hours. And yeah, I will be right back to run the AC capacity test. Alright you guys, so just doing the AC capacity test, I'm going to be powering this crock pot right over here at its high setting, and that should pull about 200 watts. With the AC capacity test in the full review for the Growatt VITA 550 power station, I was using the Watt Plus feature, and I was powering a heater. So the AC capacity efficiency that I showed in the full review may not have been too accurate, but that was the AC capacity that you would get when you use the Watt Plus feature. And in this case, this is going to give you a more accurate AC capacity efficiency without the Watt Plus feature being used. And so yeah, I'm just going to run this crock pot until the power station reaches 0% to see how much AC capacity efficiency I'm able to pull from it without the Watt Plus feature being turned on this time. And I will be right back. Alright you guys, so I ran down the capacity for the VITA 550 power station using the large crock pot right over here. And so yeah, just as I assumed, I actually scored a better AC capacity efficiency when I ran the crock pot and the Watt Plus feature was off. And so what I ended up with was a 470 watt hour capacity, and that gave me about a 87% AC capacity efficiency. And so yeah, this basically tells me that when you use the Watt Plus feature for the Growatt VITA 550 power station, the AC capacity will be lowered, so you're going to be able to use less of the original capacity, which is understandable because you're pushing the power station past its original limit. And so yeah, this is going to be the capacity that you're going to be able to use without the Watt Plus feature, because with the Watt Plus feature, I believe I got a 76% efficiency rating, and in this case without the Watt Plus feature I got a 87% efficiency. Not the biggest difference, but it is, it's a noticeable difference. And so yeah, that is the capacity efficiency test for the Growatt VITA 550 power station. Overall, the DC and AC capacity for this unit is good, really good. It falls into that 85% and higher range, which is what you're going to want from a power station in general. I will see you all on the next video. All right, goodbye.